Hello and welcome to the Digital Strategy and Marketing channel. My name is Dennis Moro, and today we are talking about Microsoft Teams, understanding Microsoft Teams, and pretty much how the dashboard works. There are just these three things that you may need to understand. The first thing is activity. This is where things show up, notifications about upcoming meetings and such kind of things. That's where they show up. Then there is a chat. The chat is engagement between you and somebody else, majorly with result, or rather to do with a certain meeting that you had already planned or that you are planning. Thirdly is the calendar. This is where your upcoming events are loaded. All of them are on three icons on the top left of your screen. Then the calendar is where activities are going to come up. And if you'd like to schedule a meeting, if it's Meet Now, you can go ahead and click Meet Now, and you can get a link to share and start the meeting. Or if you'd like to schedule a meeting, say for example, I want to have a meeting with myself. So I can say that I want to meet myself. Then right now it's 7:30. Add location. You can add all this, whether it repeats or not, and then you save it. How do you want to share Meet Myself? Copy link, share via Google Calendar. That enables you to put it on someone else's calendar. Yeah. And for the meeting link, that's a link that you can put on email. Like for example, now that it has already been copied. Now the Meet Myself is ready. Can go ahead and open the meeting chat. And I can start engaging about this meeting. As you can see, it has started here in the chat. If I'd like to start the meeting, I can join. Join now. And once you click Join Now, you'll see that there are these options that come up. In this case, you're waiting for others to join. These controls are also there in other meeting platforms, like raising your hand, showing the participants, seeing who else is in the meeting. This is the chat, the meeting chat, that will also appear on this blue window over here. This is reacting. I'm very happy to meet myself, so I'll just smile at that. Then for more actions, you can see the meeting options. Here you can determine who can bypass the lobby. The lobby is pretty much the waiting room in Zoom. Who can present, whether it's you or it is everyone. You can save that. Something else that is also very important to know is this option of device settings. This device settings. So device settings is the audio devices, the speaker, the microphone that you're using in case you're using a different kind of microphone, and the camera. Yes, you're saying that once you come to these three buttons, you can find more settings. In the settings option, you can connect to your Google Calendar. You can look at notifications, change the appearance if you like something like high contrast, dark, add some animations if you'd like to see that. There are also some people that you can add through syncing, plans and upgrades to get other features such as recording and the likes. And I would say that's pretty much it when it comes to Microsoft Teams. We've been able to see how to start a meeting. Once you've set, how to put up a new meeting. Yeah, and that's essentially how it works. In terms of, say for example, if you'd like to share screen works the same. It's just clicking on this share option and you'll be able to share the screen. I think that's the only thing which I had not shown yet about Microsoft Teams. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, learning a bit more about Microsoft Teams so that you don't get confused, and at least having a basic way of navigating through the platform to enable you do it in the best way possible. I wish you all the best. As always, the more you practice how to use the platform, the better you get at it. All the best. Until next time, subscribe and follow this channel to learn more about digital tools and about business. Ciao.